Hello viewers, welcome to Kaithozil Crochet and Crafty Jobs. Today in our channel we are going to see this bird appliques. So for this what we need is we need a scrap of yarns that will be enough for this pattern, and then I'm using 3 mm size needle. You don't need to use a bundle of yarns. This is a sweet and simple pattern which you can make it in just a few minutes. So for this the balanced and the scrap yarn itself is enough. So first make a magic circle like this. Make a magic circle like this. One chain and then do 6 single crochets in the magic circle. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So this is my 6 single crochets. So after doing this, shrink the yarn, pull the yarn so that it will get shrinked. So this is our first row. Now finish this row with making a slip stitch at the top of the chain. Make a slip stitch like this. So now I'm going to do my second row. For that, you can use a slip stitch marker like this. So for identifying the rows, you can use a stitch marker like this. For our second row, you should do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so I first made a 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and in the next stitch make 2 single crochets, and in the next stitch also make a 2 single crochets. Like that you have to make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So at the end of this second row, you will be getting 12 single crochets, and then make a slip stitch and finish off this second row. Now for our third row, you have to do 1 1 2 pattern. Okay, so first make a 1 single crochet in the one stitch, and in the next stitch make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch make 2 single crochets, and in the next stitch make 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch make 2 single crochets. Like this you have to repeat this 1 1 2 1 1 2. Like that you have to repeat this single crochet pattern. So at the end you will be getting 18 single crochets. If you have seen the further before videos at all, there will be many patterns like this, and it will be easy to understand for you. These are the simple patterns only. One stitch make 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch make 2 single crochets. That is the procedure. So at the end you will be getting 18 single crochets. Finish it with a slip stitch. So this is our third row. Now for our fourth row, what you are going to do means, watch carefully. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch, and in the next second stitch also make a slip stitch, and in the third stitch also make a slip stitch, and in the fourth chain make 4 double crochets in the same chain. 1 2 3 and then 4 double crochets in the same chain, and 1 off double crochet in that chain itself. So totally you have to make 4 double crochets and 1 off double crochet in the fourth chain, same chain itself. And in the fifth chain make 1 half double crochet, and in the sixth chain make 1 half double crochet, and in the 7 make a slip stitch, and in the 8 make a slip stitch, and in the 8 also make a slip stitch, and in the ninth chain also make a slip stitch, and in the 10th chain make one double crochet. So like this, in the 10th chain make one double crochet, and in the 11th chain make one half double crochet, and then one double crochet in the 11th chain like this. So it will be looking like a bird symbol. Can able to see it? So I will give the correct descriptions in the video itself. You can check it out also. So it will be looking like a bird. This is the bird tail part, and you will get a bird head part like this. So this applique you can use it in any types of patterns. You can use it as a decorative pattern in any of the major masterpiece you are doing. So it will be giving a good look to you. See, this is the body part. See, this is the tail and the head. So now we are going to make a wings for this. The birds will come out with the wings, right? So we are going to do a wings. You can use another color for this. So this is also make a magic circle like this, and then make one chain and then do 5 single crochets in the magic circle. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 5 single crochets, and then pull the yarn. So the thread will be shrinked, the circle will be shrinked, and then make a slip stitch at the top of the chain. So after this make 4 double crochets in the same stitch. The first chain itself make a 4 double crochets like this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4 double crochets in the same chain like this, and then do a slip stitch in the same chain also. Make a slip stitch, then finish it off. That's it. Now this is our wings part. The bird will have wings. This is the wings part. So we have to attach this wings to the body like this. Pull the thread. Attach the body and the wings part like this. After fixing the wings to the body part, just tie the thread like this, and then cut the excess yarns, anything like this. See, now our bird is almost finished. Just a little work to do for the mouth and the eyes. For the mouth I am using the same color which we used for the wings. Just do a slip knot like this, and then insert the needle from the where we have to keep the mouth part. Insert the needle from there and do just one single crochet, and then do a and insert the needle in the next stitch like this, and then finish it off. Just tightly secure it by making a knot at the back side so the thread won't pull out. Like this you do it, and then cut the excess yarns. Cut the excess yarns. For the eyes you can use any eyes marking like this, Google eyes or anything, the paint eyes or anything you can use it. So this is a bad applique. It's a simple thing. Please subscribe for further movies.